saga continues. Yo, it's the saga. Yeah, the saga continues on the daily. What to do when you got baby son, but you can't feed them. These bitches are all up on my dick, they wanna fuck, but I don't need them. All I need right now is currency to elevate my condition. My man's just talking about thundering arms and doing submissions. Street militia, city guerrilla, rate my saga a thriller. If you ain't lived it, then you can't say shit to me or judge me. Come on now, truly, you know I'm a sage. I've lived a life of minimum wage. You know, mad carcerations. Wifey be bailing me out downtown police stations. I see these ghetto birds out stations, got me on stakeout. Wanted posters up, you know they got rewards for my whereabouts. Who really wants to try to care about a young G just striving to gravitate to better? They got me cornered clutching a Beretta. Now this is a long way from them days in Egypt. Slave ships, plantations, rocks, they flip the script. Do or die, I'ma play my part, son, to the ending. No lie, still got a case, 6 months, fucking pending. Every 3 years, now do the math, that's 1 in 9 for a brick. Do the math again, that's less than a dime a day. Sons up north sail away like slaves modern day. The women suffer, but we all know it's the seeds that pay to have a father absent. Yo, you know mama's missing. I remember when I was just a young boy and I was wishing that daddy would come home, maybe spend some time for Christmas, fulfill my wish list. But the angels were wishless, they couldn't hear. Instead it was 5-0 in my room telling me in my ear that my moms felt fear because a new man was drunk. With all these memories, it's no wonder we burned the skunk. And them lines, now if we overcome circumstances, there must be a divine somewhere, some power that cares higher. Will I climb the stairs at the hour of my fall, or is there no place to exist after this hell on earth at all? The saga continues. It's the saga. The saga continues. Yeah, it's my saga. Yeah, the saga continues.